सिमरन पढ़ रहे हो?
ये अम्मा फाइनल्स के लिए
कॉफी लेके आऊं? काफी देर तो पढ़ रहा है बच्चा, थक तो नहीं गया?
कॉफी नहीं, पता नहीं सिर जरूरत से ज्यादा दुख रहा है मेरा, ऐसा लग रहा है फट ही ना जाए आज की। स्क्रीन टाइमिंग जितना बढ़ रहा है ना विद टाइम, वर्क फ्रॉम होम, स्कूल फ्रॉम होम, सारा कुछ कर करके
फिर कल डॉक्टर ਨੂੰ दिखानी। ਮੈਨੂੰ लगता तेरा चश्मे का नंबर बढ़ गया।
मुझे भी यही लगता है, अपॉइंटमेंट ले ही लेते हैं उसकी। I'm definitely going to get rid of these nerdy glasses today. And the worst part, in COVID, you get this fog right up in front of your glasses and it's so difficult to read. Oh God, please help me do something. Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Simple Simi in California. You guys must be wondering why do I have so many eye drops in my hand in this video today. It's because I got my LASIK surgery done. For those who don't know, LASIK surgery is a painless surgery in which you can get rid of your glasses in just 10 minutes. I got mine done 2 months back and I'm completely in love with the results. So all those students who are going to study abroad in fall 2021 or even are thinking to go, I would highly recommend getting a surgery like LASIK done, because as you guys know, dental treatment and any kind of eye treatment is super expensive in these foreign countries, and I have checked the figures. It's 3 to 5 times more expensive the same surgery in USA. And even if you're not going abroad for your studies and you are in a profession like me where you have to use a camera all the time, you must go for this surgery, because I have seen that before I got my glasses I was more involved with my DSLR as I could use it more often, but after getting my glasses it was so difficult for me to use a DSLR and I had to stick with iPhone all the time. So that's a huge relief as well, that I can use the DSLR as well, and then I don't have to use lenses anymore, because anything you use are super uncomfortable, whereas this surgery, after this surgery, everything is super crisp and clear and I don't have to use any other foreign particles in my eyes as well. So the cost in India is nothing as compared to what the cost in US is. It's just 50,000 rupees in India. From the one I got it done from JPI hospital. And if you guys are in the Tri-City area, you must go and visit this place as well, because the doctors were super amazing as well. They were able to help me and I had so many questions and so many concerns about the surgery, and I was lucky enough to record all those concerns and I have them for you as well, and I'm sharing it with you. Today I do have my doctor here, Dr. Sanjay Mishra, with me, and I'm going to ask him 2-3 questions quickly. Who do you recommend should get this surgery?
Any patient between the age group of 20 to 40 is eligible for LASIK surgery, and depending upon the fitness of the eye when we examine, we recommend the surgery. And basically the surgery is more according to the patient, but the age group recommended is 20 to 40 age group. So all the people wearing glasses between 20 to 40 age group are the potential people who can undergo this procedure.
Okay. Any cons of the surgery?
There are a lot of pros and cons.
Okay.
As you have yourself got it done. Cons again depend on the patient, right? Their lifestyle, their working profile, right? We expect a little dryness in surgery. We expect a little glare in surgery.
Okay.
These things are very normal, and with time they settle down.
With time.
So, not the side effects, or what we say the cons of the surgery are not more than 0.1%, and that is also in very few patients, not in every patient.
So aftercare really matters in this.
Yes. What I always suggest to my patient is pre-surgery counseling and post-surgery care. These are two important things which are required. Because pre-surgery, what surgery you want to go for is the basic crux of the procedure. And post-surgery care in 3 to 4 days, which is important for the better results in the surgery. And we have explained everything properly, and you have taken good care of yourself. Right now, I think you're happy with your results.
Yeah, I am.
And we expect other people also for the same results and everything. We would try to put another 100% of all efforts to give you the best results we can.
Got it. Could this last question would be a little personal to you as well. So since you also wear glasses, why didn't you go for a surgery instead as well?
As I told you, the age group is 20 to 40, right? So I am now more than 40 years, so I am not recommended in that age group.
Okay, if you would have been eligible, you would have went for
I
it.
would have, because I have done myself of my colleagues who are under a little younger age group, and they have passed. Because when I passed out, I was already 37.
Okay.
So it does not make.
So this is definitely what.
So the only prerequisites before the surgery is this eye drop, which is an antibiotic. You have to keep putting that antibiotic, so you know if there's any kind of infection in the eye, that can be subsided. Once that is done, your surgery is done, then you'll be given couple of other lubricant eye drops just so your eye is moist, and that's it. And you have to keep using these eye drops for good amount of time. That's around 3 to 4 months. I've been using them from past 2 months, and that's it. So the aftercare is all about that. You shouldn't splash water into your eyes, and you shouldn't put water in your eyes like really rigorously, or rub your eyes. That's the only area where you should be concerned about. But right after surgery, after 24 hours, you can get back to your work. And in fact, I even got back to my job. I had a tutoring job, and I tutored students after 24 hours of the surgery. So it was that easy for me. So the only tips I would like to give you guys is be really calm about the surgery when you're in the operation theater, because if you'll cooperate during the surgery, it's going to be really easy and painless for you as well, and it's going to be more effective. I have heard from so many of my friends, the ones who have told me they already went through this surgery, that if they moved a lot during the surgery, or they were not cooperating, or they were too tensed, they were too anxious, and they were not so happy about the results. Specifically, some of them have even told me that they have to take so much care till 1 month, and they got infections and stuff. So it's just that part. Listen to your doctor, trust your doctor, and in my case, Dr. Sanjay Mishra, he did an amazing job. And the best part was I had to make frequent visits right after 24 hours, 3 days, 7 days, 15 days, 2 months. Even after those frequent visits, you don't have to pay anything extra. Specifically for this hospital, JPI hospital, I've seen so many private hospitals, they'll be minting money by those frequent visits as well, and everything is included in the cost. Those who are residents of Chandigarh, Mohali, Panchkula or nearby areas, I have also written down the address and other details about the hospital, just in case if you want to visit it, and you can go and check that out as well. And if you have any kind of doubts or anything in your mind which you want somebody who has gone through this surgery to answer, please feel free to ask those in the comment section, or you can DM me on my Instagram as well, because I know I was asking all my friends, the ones who were there in US and the ones who were here, that how was the procedure and everything, because I was anxious too. So I'll completely understand it. So if you have doubts, please reach out and go for it. It's just so worth it, and get your surgery done and get rid of those glasses. And if you like the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. It's not at all a paid promotion, it's just I love the results so much that I thought of making this gratitude video for Dr. Sanjay Mishra and the hospital as well, because they actually did a commendable job.